Welcome back to another video about copy trading. Yes, you can make passive income with copy trading, but there are a few things you need to know before you start. In this video, we like to show a few tips and tricks to set you up for success. We use Covesting's copy trading module on PrimeXBT. So far the platform works great. We already took some profits and the withdrawal was done within one day. Let us give you 7 tips you should do when you start copy trading. The first thing on our list is protecting your trading capital. Saving enough money to fund your trading account takes a great deal of time and effort. It can be even more difficult if you have to do it twice. It is important to note that protecting your trading capital is not synonymous with never experiencing to follow a losing trader. All traders have losing trades. Protecting capital entails not taking unnecessary risks, and doing everything you can to preserve your copy trading business. Our next tip, you have probably heard it before. Risk only what you can afford to lose. Before you start using real cash, make sure that all of the money in that trading account is truly expendable. If it's not, you should keep saving until it is. Money in a trading account should not be allocated for the kids' college tuition or paying the mortgage. You must never allow yourself to think that it is simply borrowing money from these other important obligations. Losing money is traumatic enough. It is even more so if it is capital that should have never been risked in the first place. Number 3. Keep trading in perspective. Once you accept wins and losses as part of the business, emotions will have less of an effect on copy trading performance. That is not to say that we cannot be excited about a particularly fruitful trader, but we must keep in mind that a losing trader is never far off. Setting realistic goals is an essential part of keeping copy trading in perspective. Your business should earn a reasonable return in a reasonable amount of time. If you expect to be a multimillionaire by Tuesday, you are setting yourself up for failure. Number 4. Avoid stress and emotions. Too high a risk leads to emotions and wrong decisions. For example, we lost a big amount with one trader and we pulled the rest of our capital, only to see that the trader was up the next day. We didn't handle our emotions well because we put too much money behind one trader. Our next advice for you is to diversify. If you copy trade 5 people on PrimeXBT, it will help diversify your investments. All you have to do is ensure you've copied top performing traders. 10 to 30% annual return. It's okay if a trader dips below 10%, all traders will have bad months. But what you should be concerned with traders who have very high returns in a short period of time. These dangerously high numbers are usually the result of an inexperienced investor using too much leverage and simply getting lucky. They won't be able to replicate these results in the long run. At least 4 months of trading history, more is even better. I don't copy traders who don't have a trading history of at least 4 months. Otherwise I won't know if they can perform in the long run. Look for traders who deliver consistent results over time. When you look at the historical performance graphs, consistency is demonstrated by a gradual increasing graph. Graphs with irregular spikes are signs of less consistent traders. Know when to cut your losses. If a trader is underperforming or has clearly changed their trading behavior, drop them. Dropping your unsuccessful traders will also free up equity to invest in potentially more successful traders. Don't be afraid to own up to a mistake of following someone. You're never going to be 100% correct when picking traders to follow. Number 6. Don't follow people blindly. You can apply everything we said before to this point. Don't get blinded by high return numbers. Make your own research and only then put your money on the line. And last but not least, reinvest some of your profits. It's always good to take some profits here and there. But if you make your investment grow, the next profits can be even bigger. But it really depends on how much risk you're willing to take. We try to invest as much money as we can, so our passive income grows at a faster pace. Those were our 7 tips for copy trading. We hope you'll find them helpful. If you want to try PrimeXBT, the link is in the description. We will bring you more crypto-related videos, so please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.